What's up, guys? It's been a hot minute since I've dropped a video here. We got a Gunpla order unboxing video here for you guys today, sponsored in part by GundamHanger.com. You know, got a Gundam hanger for all your Plamo needs. We'll have the link posted in the video description below. Got a few things to actually discuss today as well. Actually, news from the shop, I should say. More along the lines of promos and deals that are going on, and we're going to break that all down here as well in a couple of minutes, or not even. Anyways, let's get into this boxed video, shall we? I want that one. Boom. So here, comes the box. What's inside the box, you may ask? Well,
What's in the box?
let's find out. Where's my hobby knife?
A few moments later.
You know what? There's the knife right there. Ha! Handy dandy knife. Always be careful. Inside, got lots of goodies in here. Lots of goodies. Oh, I'll move this down. Right out of the gate here, we got the high-grade Gundam Fenice Renescata, you know, from Gundam Build Divers, or Build Fighters, I should say. I'm an idiot. Build Fighters, Dobbs. Get your shit together. We've also got a 30-minute mission kit, which I've never built before. We've got the what is this called? The Reaver Nova Green. It's actually a chunky SOB. I'm kind of vibing this. Looks like a Zaku almost. We're gonna have some fun with this guy, I think.
That's what she said. Or he said.
We've also got a MG Red Frame Astray Kai, which I've heard really good things about. I'm excited to get my hands on this. We built the PG a while back. So now we're going to get into the Master Grade version of it, which will be the first for the collection. And we also got a couple of add-on packs for this bad boy as well. First off, we've got the MBF PO2 Flight Unit expansion pack, which actually looks really cool. This whole setup here is a combo deal through Gundam Hanger. I'll bring you guys more detail on that in a few minutes. We've also got the MBF PO2 During option set, which is it's full of weapons. We got swords, we got a whole arm of all sorts of stuff. Let's actually open these boxes a bit. I want to get my eye to what's going on this. Oh wow, we've got some pre-painted parts in here, which I think is really cool. Bunch of parts. Holy crap, I'm gonna have fun. Yeah. We're going to be building these here on stream in a little bit, folks. Let's get into a nice actual visual representation of the site. We'll break down these deals a bit more, and we'll show you guys all the combos. Give me 1 minute. All right, so here we are over at GundamHanger.com. You know, the only place I really love to shop for all my Gunpla. We got a slew of kits here. I love the shop. Best prices in Canada, in my opinion. But more over on the combo deals. Gundam Hanger always has deals going on constantly, and more often than not, you'll get the combo deals where you'll get one kit with bonus kits on top of that to make it all even better. You know what I mean? Anyways, let's get over to that. So as I was saying earlier, this is the one that I got, the Gundam Astray Red Frame Kai plus the Red Dragon combo deal for 115 bucks Canadian. Or, you know, that's the final price. Yeah. Check this out. That's one of the nice little deals that we got going on. And then, you know, look at this. The high grade Zagok from Seed Freedom, the Cavalier Ifrit combo deal. I am probably butchering that name. Yeah, probably butchering that name. Yeah, so you get your standard high grade with a nice backpack accessory piece. I like that. I can fuck with that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Can you guys agree? Everything. Combos. There's even there's another one for $50 less. It's the what is this one? What's this one? What do we got here? Soul Change, Master Grade, Astray, complete combo set. Doing set. Flight unit. Oh, high resolution version. Ooh, fancy. Got the Wing Zero EW with resin conversion kit. I've been meaning to get my hands on just the resin conversion kit for this. You get the Master Grade plus the resin conversion kit that goes with it, which I believe is by Madworks Studio, and I'm a big fan of Madworks. We're gonna have to get my hands on this. Specifically, its resin kit. Already got the wing. I just want the resin kit for it. Yeah. So go to GundamHanger.com for all your needs, and both links for not only the shop but also the Red Frame Kai combo deal as well will be in the description. And specifically this, I know this one here for a fact will be in stock on a regular basis. So we will see you guys in the next video or next stream, whichever comes first. And we'll see you all a little later. Bye.